This is the stock Maserati one that says, I have a homeowners association and we like the neighbors and they like us. So it's time to change that by putting a sweet X-pipe exhaust on her car. Again, yes. 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 Next video, annoying neighbors. What's up, people? All right, so we're back with my wife's Maserati. This is her first cool car, and she bought it, and that's really cool. Now, she's not here to help work on it because she has an actual job, hence why she can buy a car. And my wife and I bought a fixer-upper house a year ago, and we like the neighbors and they like us. So it's time to change that by putting a sweet X-pipe exhaust on her car. Yes, she can drive around and be like, I am woman, hear me drive. So I'm going to attempt to put this on it in 1 hour or less, because I have to go home, and it will be hilarious. We may have to get it out and just quietly drive it over to the neighbor's house, back it in the driveway, and rev the crap out of it. Yes! It's over. It's over for me. I don't care. I'm old now. It's true. My wife threw me a surprise birthday party like 2 days ago. It was amazing. Put tons of work in it. So the least I can do is put this sweet exhaust on her Maserati. Yes! Time lapse. Let's go! Actually, if anybody's watching, especially my wife, that was really hard. It was kind of hard. But actually, you guys should work on your own cars. Let's get the exhaust. Where is it? Oh, yes. Here's the old one. Lame. Where's the new one? Ah, it's way under there. I hope this fits. So here's the old one. Ah, heavy and dumb. Let's look inside. It's just straight through. I don't feel like this is going to do that much. So the stock one here in the center already has an X-pipe, so that's not really going to change the nature of the way that sounds. But it's got this big glass pack. It's straight through. They're just basically like a dual glass pack type thing, which I will demonstrate the noise. I don't know how I'm going to demonstrate. This will be tricky because it won't frickin' come back. Oh, I could yell into it this way. Okay, that sounds dumb. Yes, wait, let's see what this sounds like. It's like kind of more open roaring, which is perfect. So like, this is the stock Maserati one that says, I have a homeowners association and I don't want to bother people while I'm thinking about my 401k and like, oh, corporate stability. Durr. That's lame. We need one that says Saucy B. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna see if this fits now. Okay, you guys, I washed up a little bit, and actually I warmed up the little car a little bit because I'm not gonna start up a cold car and just rev the crap out of it for you. So I think you're gonna like it. I calmed down, but it's a lot of work, but it went well. Obviously, nice stainless steel exhaust pipes on a higher end car like this make it a lot easier. I used a big 4x6 piece of long wood, and the guys put their feet on the exhaust system so I could slide it and hit the exhaust pipe to get it to slide on all the way in that part. And then when that was on all the way, I could pick it up, push the whole exhaust system back, get it on there, and then we were able to like hit it and get it to go on. So honestly, it was really good. Looks pretty good. I might adjust the pipes a little bit, but let's hear it. Yes! Brian is here. Brian, would you start this, please? Okay, so right now it's really chill. Like you can start up in a neighborhood and nobody's gonna freak out, but everything cool? Is it no oil lights or anything? Rev it up a little bit. Again, yes! Yes! Woo! All right. Yes, do it again. Ooh, damn. That's nasty.
That's $5,000.
That's only $5,000?
That's $5,000.
This thing's vicious. Holy crap. Tell you what, I want to pull this thing out and do a drive-by and see what it sounds like. Here, okay. Let me get a different mic. Yes. I accidentally turned the traction control setting to ice. That's not what I want.
I don't know how to turn off the traction control. I'm stupid.
Hold the button for 10 seconds.
I got this. Okay. How's that sound?
That's pretty good.
Sounds okay? Okay, done! Yes! Next video, annoying neighbors. Oh, you should totally subscribe and click the bell because YouTube is ridiculous. See you guys next time. Well, a huge thank you to Crushproof Tubing Company. Since 1949 in Macomb, Ohio, they've been manufacturing custom rubber and plastic tubes for every industry imaginable. No tooling or mold costs, fast and free custom samples, and American-made quality is what sets them apart. But for me, I'm most excited about their exhaust evacuation kit. Different modular pieces and their convoluted custom hoses make it so that I can adapt any car, truck, or motorcycle with an internal combustion engine to get those exhaust gases out of my shop so I can keep working in safety and comfort. But beyond just that, they build a variety of hoses for a custom OEM world. You'll see stretchable drain tubing and bellows, as well as agriculture, medical, and military. So again, guys, Crushproof Tubing Company, crushproof.com, and go down in the description below to see where to get your free samples for industry or your exhaust tubing.